She runs every morning to stay fit.
She runs every morning to stay fit.
The kids love to jump on the trampoline.
The kids love to jump on the trampoline.
He eats breakfast at 7 a.m.
He eats breakfast at 7 a.m.
He writes a letter to his grandmother.
He writes a letter to his grandmother.
She reads a book before bedtime.
She reads a book before bedtime.
They sing beautifully in the choir.
They sing beautifully in the choir.
The couple dances at the wedding.
The couple dances at the wedding.
We walk to school every day.
We walk to school every day.
She climbs the tree to pick apples.
She climbs the tree to pick apples.
They swim in the pool during summer.
They swim in the pool during summer.
He throws the ball to his friend.
He throws the ball to his friend.
She catches the frisbee in the park.
She catches a frisbee in the park.
They laugh at the funny joke.
They laugh at the funny joke.
The baby cries when he is hungry.
The baby cries when he is hungry.
He sleeps early to wake up fresh.
He sleeps early to wake up fresh.
She drives to work every morning.
She drives to work every morning.
He cooks delicious meals for his family.
He cooks delicious meals for his family.
They built a sandcastle on the beach.
They build a sandcastle on the beach.
He accidentally breaks the glass.
He accidentally breaks the glass.
He fixes the broken chair.
He fixes a broken chair.
He washes his hands before eating.
He washes his hands before eating.
She paints a beautiful picture.
She paints a beautiful picture.
He carries a heavy box.
He carries a heavy box.
The player kicks the ball into the goal.
The player kicks the ball into the goal.
She pulls the door to open it.
She pulls the door to open it.
He pushes the cart in the supermarket.
He pushes the cart in the supermarket.
They buy fresh fruits from the market.
They buy fresh fruits from the market.
He sells newspapers on the street.
He sells newspapers on the street.
She sends a message to her friend.
She sends a message to her friend.
He receives a gift on his birthday.
He receives a gift on his birthday.
She opens the window for fresh air.
She opens the window for fresh air.
She closes the door quietly.
She closes the door quietly.
The teacher teaches math to the students.
The teacher teaches math to the students.
She draws a cat with her crayons.
She draws a cat with her crayons.
He smiles when he sees his best friend.
He smiles when he sees his best friend.
She whispers a secret to her friend.
She whispers a secret to her friend.
They digs a hole to plant a tree.
They digs a hole to plant a tree.
She rides her bicycle in the park.
She rides her bicycle in the park.
He waves goodbye to his father.
He waves goodbye to his father.
She stretches before exercising.
She stretches before exercising.